Hi everyone! Today we're going to make one of my all-time favorite healthy recipes. We'll need some chicken breast, and all the exact proportions are listed in the description below. First of all, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who likes my videos. You guys really help and motivate me so much. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of Herbes de Provence. Now, melted butter, give it a really good mix. For the pan, I'm not adding any olive oil, because the butter is more than enough. We're going to pan fry it on medium heat until you get that beautiful golden crust. Just make sure you don't overcook the chicken. We want it nice and juicy. While that's cooking, let's boil some rice. I think I don't need to explain how to cook rice. You've got this. By the way, what kind of rice do you usually use? Let me know in the comments. I often add red cabbage to my meals. It's so good for you, especially for your heart and skin. One green bell pepper. The color combination of the red cabbage and green pepper is just wow. It looks so vibrant. I'm adding fresh dill to taste. You can also throw in a little parsley if you like. A squeeze of lime juice. It brings such nice freshness to the salad. And just a tiny bit of olive oil, literally 1 or 2 teaspoons. Look at this. It looks absolutely stunning. This recipe makes 4 generous portions. I'll write the macros in the description under the video. Enjoy your meal, everyone. See you in the next video.